Hello everybody, it's me, Ryan.
Tabitha.
And we're here with another episode of Locked in Science.
And you know this is not TV.
It's not TV, but we can pretend it's TV. So, we are here with a very exciting thing this week because, do you love slime?
Slime.
Do you love slime? I bet you do. And today we're going to teach you how to make edible slime with something that you very well may have in your medicine cabinet. And that is simple Metamucil or generic substance. What Metamucil is it's a fiber supplement and it's made from psyllium husks, which are kind of mushroom that ground up or whatever. Anyway, when you boil that with water, you get a very cool little slime. And because it's a substance that you can consume and is added with sugar and all this stuff.
And you can eat it.
You can eat it. Exactly. So, it's a cool way to make slime, which is a little less sticky and messy than some other slimes, at home, easily, without having to, use borax or any of that stuff, or glue. So, all you need for this is Metamucil and water and a microwave. You can do it on the stove, but a microwave is a little bit easier, especially for our kiddos. So what you want is, Tabitha Wednesday, would you like to pour in 1 cup of water, please? 1 cup of water.
No, we always do that first.
Well, we're putting the water in first this time. So 1 cup of water into a bowl. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of Metamucil. So it's 1 teaspoon of Metamucil for every cup that you make. Okay? And now you're going to mix it up.
Some got stuck in here.
That's okay. Now this will be orange. If you want it to be a different color, because it's dyed orange, at least this kind, if you want it to be a different color, you can add some food coloring.
I add food coloring.
I don't know where our food coloring is. I think I gave it all out.
Why?
Because we're doing camp. So, yeah, that's it. So stir really good. And make sure that it all dissolves, okay? Yeah. It gets powdery and a little bit gooey when you just put it in there. So can you stir it up so that all that stuff gets absorbed by the water? Stir, stir. Show everyone how to stir.
Do it like this so you don't get any on your table.
Good advice. Okay, and when it's nice and stirred up like that, all you need to do is pop it in your microwave for 5 minutes. What you want is you want it to boil. So you can put it in for however long it's going to take your microwave to kind of bring it to a boil. You want to put it in there and leave it there until it starts to like bubble up over the edge. You don't want it to bubble up over the edge. All right, so let's put the spoon over here, and we'll pop this right in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now pretend like 5 minutes have passed, because we have already made our own. So, Tabs, can you stir this up a little bit? So when it comes out of the microwave, it's going to be hot. You want to carry it with something. We have these. We call them the Kermits. Hello. I'm Kermit the Frog.
Hey, that is not being a teacher.
And stir it up as it cools. So it'll look like a liquid when it comes right out, but as you stir it and as it cools down, it's going to be more and more gooey. Now, once it does that, you're going to want to keep cycling through the microwave a couple of times for it to get sufficiently gooey.
This looks gooey enough.
We put it in through 2.5 cycles, I think, before we got a goo that we were pretty happy with. And even then, it'll still come out a little watery until you let it cool down. As it cools, then it'll start to congeal. So, yeah, you can pick that up. So let's show everyone. There it is. Edible gooey slime. And it's a slightly different consistency than regular slime. It's like a little boogerier, and a little gooier. Do you want to try a bite? How is it?
Good.
It's good?
And another bite.
Okay. Just make sure you let it cool down enough before you do it. But you can go ahead right and eat that, and it's a fiber supplement, so it'll even keep you regular.
So don't even. I'm playing with my food.
And you too can play with your food at home. So that is how to make edible slime. Very cool and lots of fun and something to eat. So thank you for joining us this week.
Yeah.
We will see you again next week on Locked in Science. Right? If you have anything you'd like us to try, definitely send us an email. You can email me at ryan@desmondfishlibrary.org. Or what?
Me.
You don't have an email address. Or just send a letter to Tabby. Or you can comment on any of our social media accounts and Tabby will see it. And then she will get to decide whether or not we do that as for science next week. So have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Wash your hands. And wear a mask. And enjoy your lives. Bye.
Bye. How did I do?